Okay. So the other week, I was in Aventura Mall, which is in North Miami. This area here, I'm going to call it, is right in downtown Miami. Okay, so that's Chanel that we saw from the ground level, and we basically are going from one block to another now. As you see, the Brickell Center extends there, going across that bridge, which is the New River, or Miami River, excuse me. Yeah, we'll put you in the city of Miami. Okay. Again, the question is, how many of these brands do you recognize? Here is the money shot that many influencers use as the backdrop to their photos. You think I should take a photo? Maybe later. So this is Miami Avenue. GoPro, stop, capture.